Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing HEDERA Hbar. The world is integrating Hbar. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with the overall crypto landscape and HBAR in particular. Let me show you this post over here first, folks. Look at this. The roadblocks in the path of mass adoptions are real, but there is a solution to every problem, and the crypto mass adoption is ultimately inevitable. Look at this. But obviously, roadblocks remain according to Smart Crypto News over here. Regulatory uncertainty, number one, complex user experiences, scalability issues, and security concerns. You've seen the FTX hack, the Luna crash, Safe Moon scam, and a bundle of these different examples that we can wrap our heads around to see, yeah, that security is indeed a concern. A lot of blockades in the path of mass adoption, that's for sure. And it all adds on to a slow growth and a slow mainstream adoption. While BTC and blockchain offer financial freedom, many still find the space too complicated or risky. I'll give you another example, folks. Imagine you've got a family member that you want to teach crypto. That yeah, come to crypto. It is really good. It is providing these different avenues. Imagine how difficult it is. Imagine these swap in decentralized finance, such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap or any other swap. This is how complicated it is, folks. We've learned it. We know our craft that yeah, you have to do some things. Go create a wallet, download a wallet, and then create a seed phrase. Everything is so complicated for a newbie, folks. That's for sure. Imagine a grandpa learning about this tech for the first time. All of this is a block towards mass adoption, folks. That's for sure. It is a roadblock. So, HEDERA HBAR is providing those solutions in the form of direct alliance, the alliance with Ripple, Algo, and others of these utility projects. That yeah, how can you refund your lost funds? Sorry, how can you reverse a fund or get your failed transaction back and different stuff, folks, that is required for this industry to prosper. Direct Alliance is doing that. HEDERA is doing that, folks. So, anyways, to bridge the gap, we need clear regulations first and foremost. This is the macro level regulations that is required for us to be safe from these hacks, these scams, and a lot of different stuff. Better UX and scalable solutions, obviously. More intuitive wallets lead to innovations and increased security measures, obviously, but most importantly, that we're concerned with when it comes to HashGraph real world adoption, folks. This will accelerate this industry and it will integrate it into daily transactions and business operations. So, this is the focus of HEDERA HBAR, folks. Real world practical use, real world utility, real world application. That is what we're interested in, and this is what can eventually kick this roadblock out of the way. This is the primary thing that can eventually determine whether this industry becomes a success or not. Yeah, I agree. Look at a post over here that, yeah, BTC Sailor, according to Sailor, that Bitcoin represents digital capital. That network is $2 trillion today. It is going to be $20 trillion in 4 to 8 years. It is going to grow faster than every other asset in the world. We agree that BTC is the grandfather of this industry. This is why we constantly cover BTC as well, along with these other utility projects. Although BTC is slow, it is a store of value, but obviously it is the driving force at the moment. But what will legitimize this industry and bring credibility to it is a project like HEDERA, folks, that is providing real world adopt solutions, folks, real world applicability, real world utility, and real world use case. That's for sure. So, as they say, this isn't just a trend, folks. It is the future of money. Crypto isn't just a trend. So, let me show you. First, let me go through. Okay, so let us first see this video as well. That yeah, in 4 to 8 years, BTC is going to be huge. Let me share this with you.
Bitcoin represents digital capital. That network is $2 trillion today. It's going to be $20 trillion in 4 to 8 years. It's going to be $200 trillion in 20 years. Then it's going to grow faster than every other asset in the world. It's going to continue to grow. The United States should own it.
So, folks, if this industry goes on to achieve these levels, trillions of dollars of levels, $20 trillion in 4 to 8 years, I assure you that HBAR won't be ignored. The governing council that it has, the use case that it is providing, and the disruptions it is trying to make in various sectors and segments, it cannot be ignored whatsoever. I assure you that because people do not understand the overall scope of what HBAR stands for. Look at this from Mark. I don't think people understand the full scope of HBAR yet. So let me share this post with you. I already reposted this post and liked it because it was so good. Let me share this with you. It was awesome. This year, the US allowed banks to adopt stablecoins for payments, aligning with global trends. So, banks being involved with digital assets and currencies now. HEDERA, with its efficient network and stablecoin studio, already powers programs for major financial institutions, cementing its role in digital finance. A lot of different projects claim that they're doing certain things. They're providing use case, real world applicability. Hedera is already doing it. It is providing the power, it is providing solutions, it is providing various different elements in its infrastructure. Let me share with you some examples over here from Mark. Look at this. And these are just a handful of what Hedera is doing, folks. Look at this. Pay Global. WorldPay processing over 50 billion payments annually, folks. Imagine. Implemented a proof of reserves system for stablecoins on Hedera. It supports USDC payments, processing 1.3 billion in 2024 alone. Talking about various states and governments, they are involved in crypto, in blockchain, in DLT now. Australian Payments Plus, AP Plus, basically, formed by the merger of FTPOS, BPay Group, and NPP Australia, is a Hedera Governing Council member. And talking about the Hedera Governing Council members, Google, DHL, and a lot of different members, folks. So it is huge. The infrastructure that Hedera is building is huge. So what it is doing, it is modernizing Australia's payment infrastructure, leveraging Hedera for micropayments and stablecoin exploration. Meanwhile, Union Bank of the Philippines, PHPX, Union Bank, via its fintech arm UBX, collaborates with Filipino banks to launch PHPX, a peso-backed stablecoin on Hedera. Look at this, it is set for mid-2025. PHPX enhances real-time remittances and cross-border payments. Folks, oftentimes when we hear the term cross-border payments, Ripple crosses our minds, but Hedera, to be honest, it is, like I told you guys, it is trying to disrupt each and every sector that you can think of, be it AI, be it gaming, be it payments, be it remittances, anything and everything. Hedera is disrupting tokenization, real world asset tokenization, which is set to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry by 2030. 16 trillion to be precise. This is the figure that a lot of different articles are giving. Now look at this drop. FedNow, a micropayments platform on Hedera integrated with FedNow for real-time payments and has partnerships for real-time payment solutions. So this is practically happening. This is not just theoretical. This is not some smokes and mirrors that we get from a lot of different projects. A lot of time to create hype and speculation, but this is happening behind the scenes, folks. This is what can bring a legitimacy to this industry. BTC might be the asset that is attracting these investors, but these utility gems are the projects that will that has the staying power when industries and businesses they realize that yeah, this industries goes way beyond than just store of value, that yeah, price is going to be going up like any other asset like gold or any commodity. These assets, these projects have the capability to transform the digital infrastructure, transform the financial infrastructure as a whole. To be honest, look at this, potentially handling transactions in tens of billions annually, folks. Truist Bank, 56 billion market cap, partners with Drop to enhance real-time payment capabilities. This is great. So, as this post says, it won't be long before more of the world's largest institutions integrate Hedera. World is trying to integrate, world is integrating Hedera, folks, and it will continue on to do so because it is an essential technology in global financial infrastructure. That's for sure. Because the legacy system is still outdated. It is obsolete. It is yet to change. We get payments sent from one area to another in 5 business days. I mean, folks, the technological advancement that we are getting in the form of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, like we say time and again, folks, the technology has advanced a lot, and our payment infrastructure, our gateways, our legacy systems are still obsolete and outdated, and Hedera can change this. You have to check this blog as well. This is a long blog, so you have to read this out yourselves. I'm just going to be showing you this, but we're interested. I'm going to be showing you what Hedera's capabilities in a moment. First, let me share this with you. HederaCon 2025. It has been mind-blowing, folks. And the news that has shared with its investors is also huge. Posted on March 12th, 2025 by Team Hedera. Look at this, folks. So much happening in this. So many topics being discussed, cross-border and more, what's fueling the growth of crypto payments, why the RWA megatrend isn't stopping anytime soon, how interoperability will unlock the future, AI meet DLT scaling responsibly, hello future, reflecting on the Hedera journey so far. So much. Look at this, folks. Imagine, like, yeah, so many things happening in this infrastructure. You have to read this out yourselves to realize how huge this is. Some technical areas of Hedera over here, they have categorized it, and in the first area, they've got the mainstream problems. Let me show you. Yeah, the main stage sessions tackled big picture discussions on the industry's most pressing topics, while the technical stage provided deep dives into Hedera's technology, developer tools, and real world applications. So, this is what we're talking about, folks. So, look at this. Relive the biggest moments, revisit the groundbreaking discussions, and dive into expert insights on. Now, look at the segments and sectors that I talked about, and these are just a handful. Hedera goes way beyond this. On tokenization, DeFi, AI, interoperability, which is really important in this day and age, crypto policy, and more. So, this is what Hedera is doing, and this is why the world is integrating Hedera, Hbar. So, folks, what do you guys think about it? And the roadblocks as well. Do you think that Hbar can overcome these roadblocks? Yes or no? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.